And then we can come up here. You have forward, it's a 2-speed motor. So you got low speed, you got high speed. You can shut it off there. You can reverse it. Slow it right down. That's the slowest it's gonna go. Quill. And back here you got your lock. Clamp that. Raise and lower your table. And that's that.